Alright guys, today I'm gonna explain Instagram videos to you guys. Alright. I explain a lot of Punjabi songs on my podcast. I explain to you like a vocabulary. But today I'm gonna explain the conversation. Maybe it could be two people talking. It could be a funny video, maybe one person talking. So what I'm gonna do is whatever I teach you before, the difference between textbook Punjabi versus colloquial Punjabi. Today I'm gonna show you the way Punjabi people speak. All right, I teach you before, but now I'm gonna give you the real example. Then I will explain to you, right, what they're saying in Punjabi. All right, I'll explain to you in English. So what does it mean? How it's different? All right, everything I teach you before, so you can find in these videos. All right, now let's get started.
क्योंकि कदे मेरा जी करदा मैं ना उही
So this girl is saying kade kade mera ji karda. Kade kade means sometime. Ji karna, it means like when you feels like to do something. If you say, or it means you want. Let's say if you say mera seb khan nu ji karda, it means I want to eat apple. All right, seb means apple. If you say mera TV dekhan nu ji karda, it means I want to watch TV. All right, so she said ji karda. Ji karda means when you want to do something. All right.
ਕਿਸੇ ਚਪੇੜਾ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਬਸ
So she said kade kade mera ji karda main kisi de chipeda marna. Chipeda means slaps. All right, so she is saying like sometimes she wants to like slap somebody. That's what she's saying. All right, chipeda marna.
ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਗੱਲੋਂ ਡਰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਚਪੇੜਾ ਮਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਫੇਰ
So this is a kind of funny video. She said ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਗੱਲੋਂ ਡਰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਚਪੇੜਾ ਮਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਫਿਰ. So basically it means I'm just scared because if other people they slaps me, right? So she is saying basically I want to slap people like randomly. Like sometimes she feels like she wants to slap people, but she don't do it because she is scared they can also slap to her. All right? That's what she's saying.
ਫਿਰ ਕੌਣ ਬਚਾਏਗਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚਾਏਗਾ
Then she said ਫਿਰ ਕੌਣ ਬਚਾਏਗਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੌਣ ਬਚਾਏਗਾ so bachona means like a same. All right, so she said bachayega, so it means she is using in future that the verb bachona is future. She said bachayega. Like in my area we say bachauga ਫਿਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੌਣ ਬਚਾਊਗਾ, but she said bachayega, so it could be a different area dialogue, so a little bit different. Bachayega and bachauga is same thing. All right, then she said koi bhi nahi bachayega. So she said like who will save me? Nobody is gonna save me. All right, so basically she's saying she wants to slap just randomly sometimes, but she is scared other people can slap me, and who will save me if it happens? She said no one will save me. All right, that's what she's saying.
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਉਖਲੀ ਸੇ ਸਿਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਮੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਡਰ
She said ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਉਖਲੀ ਸਿਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਮੋਹਣਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਡਰ. I don't know what the ਮੋਹਣਿਆਂ means, but I think she's using here idiom ਉਖਲੀ. I don't know how to explain in ukhli. Ukhli basically something narrow. Sir detta. It means like she's saying I created a problem by myself. So then like a kasur. Like then there's nobody to blame. So basically she and like if I did this to somebody and I got slapped back, so there's nobody's to blame because I invited my problem. That's what she is basically saying, but it's a kind of idiom the way she is saying. Ukhli ch sir detta. All right, let's say if you fight with somebody, you got beaten and you are telling me the story and it's your fault, you started the fight, then I can like I say to you, fir tu kyon ukhli ch sir detta. So it's an idiom. It means why did you started it? All right, like it's your fault. Why did you do that? All right, that's what she is saying.
ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਚਪੇੜਾ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਪਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ
So again she explained it ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ. All right, so first he told idiom ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਉਖਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ. Now say ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ. It means I did this. All right, I slapped them first. All right,
ਕੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਖਿੱਚ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜੀਰਾ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਖਾ ਮਾਰਾਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ
she said
ਵਾਈ ਓਕੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ
one second.
but ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਫਰੀਸ ਸਿਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਮੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਡਰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਚਪੇੜਾ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਪਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ
See, ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਚਪੇੜਾ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ, right? She was ਪਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਰਦਾ. G means like when you want to do something. I'll really explain. She is expressing her like sometimes she feel like she wants to beat somebody. All right?
ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਖਿੱਚ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜੀਰਾ
So it's ਖਿੱਚ ਚੜਨਾ when you getting bothered inside, like inside you want to do something, like in her case, like inside sometimes she wants to like beat somebody, like, all right? ਖਿੱਚ ਚੜਨਾ, like she is bothered inside, she wants to beat somebody, all right?
ਮੁੱਕਾ ਮਾਰਾ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ
She said G karda main mukka mara muh te. Mukka means your punch, right? Sometimes she says she feel like she wants to punch somebody, all right?
I don't know why, okay? ਮੇਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਰਾਹ ਜਾਂਦੇ
So see, meri koi problem nahi, like I don't have any problem, but I don't know why, like she was saying like she feel like that, all right?
ਕੁੱਟਣ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ why, okay? ਮੇਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਰਾਹ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕੁੱਟਣ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ
She said mera raah jande nu kuttan nu bada ji karda. Raah janda means like when somebody walking by in the street or on the road or whatever. So sometimes she feels like when somebody is walking on the road, she just wants to beat that person. Like sometimes she wants to beat that person.
ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੱਟਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ
But she never did that, all right? She sometimes she feels like that's kind of funny. Sometimes she feels like she wants to beat a person when somebody is walking in the street. But she never did that. She never beat somebody. But inside, like sometimes she is bothered and she wants to beat that person.
isn't being ਮੈਂ ਕੁੱਟੀ ਜਾਂ
So see why she didn't do it? She said never did because she knows she's gonna got beaten. All right. She is scared. Like if she did that, she's gonna got beaten. All right, so that was the story. Basically, she is telling like sometimes she wants to beat somebody, she wants to like slap somebody. But like if it happened to her, like if she got slapped like a bag, so it's not like a her. One sec.
ਚਪੇੜਾ ਮਾਰਤੀ ਫੇਰ
Yeah, she said chpeda marti fir like a. So it means she said she wants to slap somebody sometimes, but like she don't do it because she know if she did that, then she could got slapped back, and then nobody to blame because she started it. And seriously, sometimes when random person walk on the street, she wants to punch that person, right? Because it bother him, bother her sometimes. Like I don't know why. And she says she said no problem. Sometimes she just irritated from people and she wants to beat people, but she never did that because she knows if she did that, she is gonna got beat. All right, this was kind of funny. So yeah, that's what she's explaining in Punjabi. All right, I explained to you. This is how Punjabi people talk. She's speaking so fast. So this is the colloquial Punjabi. All right. So she is not like a saying like a like when it is G karda, right? So she's not saying like a so in textbook, like if you want to say like she's saying mera kuttan nu bada ji karta. So in textbook style is going to be like मैं ਕੁੱਟਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਦੇ-ਕਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ. This is a textbook style, but nobody talk like that. She said sometimes like ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁੱਟਣ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ. ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਾਹ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਤੇ ਮੁੱਕਾ ਮਾਰਾਂ. All right? ਰਾਹ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਦੇ ਮੁੱਕਾ ਮਾਰਾਂ. Mucka means punch. So this is a clue clear Punjabi. All right. I hope you enjoy and to learn something. And how Punjabi people talk, we learn some vocabulary like mucka means punch. Raah janda means like when somebody is walking in the street. I'll be back with another short video another day. All right?
ਫਿਰ ਕੌਣ